A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the second chapter of social science named as The Earth and Our Country from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand the chapter. So, very first, dear student, you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. What you will learn in this chapter. So, dear student, you will learn about the globe and secondly, you will learn about the maps. So, let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, in the very first, what is Earth? अर्थ क्या होता है? ये स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि आपने पहले चैप्टर में पढ़ा है, अर्थ का शेप क्या है? अर्थ का शेप ऑरेंज की तरह है. हम किस में रहते हैं? ऑरेंज. हम अर्थ में रहते हैं. ऑरेंज मून से कैसा दिखता है? ऑरेंज मून से एक ब्लू लाइटेड बॉल के जैसा दिखता है. सो our earth is very big in size. It is also round in the shape. We cannot see the whole earth at one time. हम पूरे अर्थ को बच्चों एक टाइम पे नहीं देख सकते. So we have to make a model of the earth to study it. तो हमें क्या बनाना होगा? इस अर्थ पढ़ने के लिए, समझने के लिए उसका एक मॉडल बनाना होगा जिससे हम क्या ग्लोब को समझ पाए, सॉरी अर्थ को समझ पाए. सो बेसिकली globe is a small model of the earth, which is the first learning objective of the chapter. So let's begin with the globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. This is very important question and I am highlighting it. What is globe? A globe is a small model of earth. The globe is also round like the earth. कैसा होता है बच्चों ग्लोब? अर्थ के जैसा गोल होता है. At a time we can see only a part of the earth on the globe. To see the other parts we have to rotate it. एक टाइम पे हम ग्लोब का एक पार्ट देख सकते हैं और अगला पार्ट देखने के लिए हमें उसे क्या करना पड़ता है बच्चों? घुमाना पड़ता है. So this is very important question. What is globe? What is globe, dear student? A globe is a small model of the earth and it is also looks like a ball. The shape of the globe is round. So another picture of the globe is given below. देखिए यहाँ पर globe की picture दिखाई है आपको. In this picture we can see both halves of earth. Some part in the picture are blue while the others are yellow. The blue color shows the water bodies and the yellow part shows the land. So, dear student, this is very important question. The blue color describes what blue color describes in the, so the blue color describes the water bodies in the globe. What yellow color describes in the globe? The yellow colored part describes the land on the earth. So, dear student, these two questions are very important and I am highlighting it. The blue color shows the water bodies and the yellow part shows the net on the globe. The very large bodies of water on the earth is called ocean. So again, this is very important. What is ocean? The very large bodies of water on the earth. पृथ्वी पे पानी का जो बहुत बड़ा, बहुत ह्यूज पार्ट होता है, उसे आप क्या कहते हैं? ओशियन कहते हैं. The very large bodies of water on the earth is called oceans. They are, कौन कौन से oceans हैं बच्चों? आप स्क्रीन पे जैसे कि देख सकते हैं कौन कौन सी वाटर बॉडीज हैं. पिक्चर में भी आपको दिखाई हुई है. The first one is, as I am also highlighting it, the first one is, they are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So these are huge water bodies on the globe. The Pacific is the largest and Arctic is the smallest ocean. Which is the largest part of ocean? The Pacific Ocean is the large part of ocean. What is the smallest ocean? Which is the smallest ocean? So, dear student, the answer is the Arctic is the smallest ocean. The land on the earth is divided into very large parts. The large parts of the lands on the earth are called continents. Dear student, again after ocean, this is very important part. What is continent? So the answer is very large parts of the land on the earth are called continents. बहुत बड़े हिस्से किसके? लैंड के, भूमि के, धरती पर क्या होते हैं? क्या कहलाते हैं? कॉन्टिनेंट्स कहलाते हैं. और बहुत बड़ी वाटर बॉडीज क्या कहलाती हैं? समुद्र कहलाते हैं. सो द कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर अफ्रीका, एशिया, यूरोप, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड Antarctica. These are 7 continents in the globe. Number 1, Africa. Number 2, Asia. Number 3, Europe. Number 4, North America. Number 5, South America. Number 6, Australia. And number 7, Antarctica. So these are 7 continents. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. So, dear student, again, these are 3 important questions. The first one is, what is continent? I'm so sorry. So, the answer is, the very large parts of the land on the earth is called continents. The second one is, how many continents are in the earth? So the answer is there are 7 continents in the earth. These are Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So this is again very important question. Which is the largest continent in the earth? So the answer is Asia is the largest continent in the earth. Dear student, as I am again highlighting it because this is very important question. Which is the largest continent in the earth? So the answer is Asia is the largest continent in the Earth. Again, important question. Which is the smallest continent on the Earth? So, the answer is Australia is the smallest continent in the Earth. Which is the smallest continent in the Earth? Australia is the smallest continent in the Earth. So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, it is fun to look at a globe and to find a place on it. But it is difficult to show small place on a globe. बच्चों, आप continents को देख सकते हैं, आप oceans को देख सकते हैं, लेकिन small places को देखना globe में बहुत मुश्किल है. तो to see these things and to solve these problems, we can use maps, which is the second learning objective of the chapter. Yes, student, let's discuss the maps. So, dear student, what is map? This is very important question. What is map? As I am highlighting it, because this is again very important question. A map, I'm so sorry, this is a technical problem. So, what is map? A map is a drawing on a flat surface. What is map? A map is a drawing on a flat surface. समतल में जो बनता है, जो sketches बनते हैं, वो क्या होती है? Drawings होती हैं, वो maps की drawing होती है. It can be drawing of the whole surface of the earth or any part of it. किसी भी part की drawing हो सकती है. Maps can be very big. They can be very small also. They can be folded. आप मैप को फोल्ड करके अपने बैग में भी रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें कैरी करना बहुत ही इजी होता है. वो छोटे साइज की भी स्केच हो सकती है, वो बड़े साइज की भी स्केच हो सकती है. और आप जब ट्रैवल करते हैं, they are very easy to carry. Dear student, we have big maps in our school. We hang them up on the walls. They are called wall maps. Again, dear student, this is very important question, as I am again marking it. What are the wall maps? So, dear student, I am highlighting it. A big maps of our schools, which we can hang on the walls, called wall maps. What are the wall maps? A big map of our school, which we can hang up on the walls, called wall maps. We have small maps in our book also. So, dear student, this is the pictorial part of map. This is the world map. This is the world map. A map on which the whole surface of Earth is drawn is called world map. World map क्या होता है? जिसमें पूरे अर्थ की पिक्चर को आप एक फ्लैट में शो करते हैं. देखिए, जैसे ये वर्ल्ड मैप है, इसमें आप पूरे अर्थ की पिक्चर को आपने एक फ्लैट में दिखाया है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्ल्ड मैप. दिस इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, सो आई एम मार्किंग इट. व्हाट इज वर्ल्ड मैप, डियर स्टूडेंट? अ मैप which the whole surface of Earth is drawn is called a world map. We can find the names of all oceans and continents in it. सभी समुद्रों और continents की नाम हमें यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. As you can see in pictorial part 2. There are also separate map of different continents. Our country India is a part of Asia continent. हम किस पार्ट में हैं बच्चों? 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं. 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स में इंडिया हमारा कंट्री किस कॉन्टिनेंट में है? एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में. लोकेट इंडिया ऑन द मैप ऑफ एशिया. So dear student, as you can see, this is the map of Asia. Okay, as you can see in my picture. And now this is the pictorial part of Asia and this is the India. This is India, as you can see in my picture. This is India, as I am highlighting India. So in the Asia's map, India is here. The 4 directions, east, west, north, south, help us to locate place on the map. Let us see a wall map. Basically, this is also called a wall map because this is the Asia's map. The north is, here student, the north is always the top of the map. The south is at the bottom and the east is our right and west is our left. In all the map direction are shown in the same way. North is in top, south is in bottom, and east is our right and west is our left. So, can you tell in which direction India lies on the map of Asia? So, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is left. So, India is in southern part of Asia. Many countries have been formed on the basis of different rules. There are about 195 countries on our earth. How many countries are on our earth? There are 195 countries on our earth. कितनी countries हैं हमारे earth में? 195. Our country India is one of them. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and many other are our neighboring countries. जो हमारी countries के पास हैं, as you can see in my screen, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, these are our neighboring countries. So dear student, this is all about the chapter 2, the earth of our country. Dear student, let's have a quick revision of this chapter. Very first, we have learned about the earth. The earth is a very big in a size. It is also round in a shape. We cannot see whole earth at one time. So, we have made a model of earth that is called globe. So, in this chapter, we have learned about the model of the earth that is globe. So, the globe is also round like the air. Dear student, I am also highlighting it. We can see the globe is also round like a earth. At a time, we can see only one part of the earth on the globe. To see other part, we have to rotate it. So, this is again a pictorial part of globe. In this picture, The blue color shows the water bodies. Again, this is very important question. That's why I'm highlighting it. The blue color shows the water bodies and the yellow part shows the land. The blue color shows the water bodies and yellow part shows the land. The very large bodies of water on the earth is called oceans. लार्ज बॉडीज को क्या कहा बच्चों? लार्ज बॉडीज को ओशियंस का, जो क्या है, कौन सी लार्ज बॉडीज हैं? सो देयर आर 5 large bodies that are called oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So these are 5 water bodies called oceans. Which is the largest water body in the earth? So the Pacific Ocean is the largest water body in the earth. Which is the smallest water body in the earth? Arctic is the smallest ocean or water bodies in the earth. So the next one is continent. What are the continents? So again, I am highlighting it because it is very important. The land on the earth is divided into very large part. The very large parts of the land on the earth are called continents. Land के जो बहुत बड़े-बड़े parts हैं, उसे हमने क्या बोला? Continents बोला. कितने continents हैं बच्चों? There are 7 continents in the earth. These are Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So this is again very important question. Which is the largest continent of the earth? The answer is Australia is the large continent. Sorry, Asia is the largest continent, and the Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. So in the globe, this is very difficult to identify small places. So to solve these difficulties, we can use maps. So we have learned about maps as in the second learning objective. This is the world map. 7 continents are in the map. So what is map? A map is a drawing on a flat surface. Flat surface में जैसे globe round shape में होता है, लेकिन map फ्लैट सरफेस में होता है, जिसे कैरी करना बहुत आसान होता है, क्योंकि आप उसे छोटा भी बना सकते हैं, बड़ा भी बना सकते हैं. तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? मैप्स बोलते हैं, जो फ्लैट सरफेस में इंडिविजुअल चीजों के लिए, लाइक इंडिया का मैप है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैप है, वर्ल्ड मैप है, एशिया का मैप है, इसे आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. वी हैव big map in our school. We hang them up on the walls. So they are called wall maps. This is the map of what? A map on which the whole surface of earth is drawn, जिसमें earth की सारी drawing होती है, is called world map. As you can see in the picture. 5 oceans and 7 continents. So there are also separate maps of different continents. There are also a separate map of different country, which we'll discuss later. Now, right now we will discuss about continent maps. Our country, India, is a part of Asia continent. So, locate India on the map of Asia. Now you can locate India on the world map. So this is the Asia's map, and this is India as I have highlighted this one. The four direction east, west, north, south help us to locate places on the map. So the upper part is called north part, down part is called south part, right part is called east part, and left part is called west part. Uppermost is north, the bottom south, right east, and left west. India is in southern part. So how many countries are on the earth? So there are 195 countries on the earth. India is one of them. Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives are our neighboring countries. These are our neighboring countries. So this is all about the chapter second. A student, we will discuss the third chapter in our next lecture. Wish you all the best. Thank you.